Hey guys, finally we have received this GoPro 7, which is an amazing upgrade from GoPro 5. So it's much better in terms of the video it shoots. So now it has the inbuilt video stabilizer. So basically, you won't need a gimbal for that. So the videos will be highly stable, which wasn't the case with the GoPro 5. So one of the major reasons was to buy this GoPro 7 was the enhanced functionalities which it offers and the stable videos which every avid traveler wants. So this package comes with the casing as well as the GoPro and a battery. So that is what it comes with. Now, since we bought it along with the dual battery charger plus battery, now we have two batteries for the GoPro and a dual charger. So about the dual charger, it charges two batteries simultaneously in about 2.5 hours. So that is quite a deal and it saves you a lot of time for charging. So back to GoPro, it looks amazing and it shoots 4K videos and it is water resistant to up to 10 meters, which is quite a depth. So beyond that you will need the waterproof casing which comes separately, and it also comes in different other combos which GoPro comes with. So that is something which you should be aware of. So once you have the GoPro on your hand, you just have to take it out from the casing, and for that you just have to pull the upper part upwards, and that too with gentle force, so that it won't break off. Yeah, so just apply a little force and it will just come out, and then you can just open the casing and you can just push the GoPro back and it will just come out. And once that is done, then you can just start taking out the sticker which it comes with on the touch screen, and yeah, you'll be having the ready to use GoPro. It's quite easy to use GoPro. So you can see on the back side there is this push button. So you can see this is the holder for the memory SD card and the battery. Now in this box we'll get the battery, a cable, and some warranty documents, stickers, and some other instructions material. So that is what the GoPro kit comes with, and you can just take out the battery and you can insert into the GoPro. And this is the cable, very high quality cable. Now we are unboxing dual battery charger which also comes with an extra battery. So if you are a GoPro user, you will want multiple batteries and you will also want a charger which can charge multiple batteries simultaneously. So this is the charger for that very purpose. And this box basically comes with the battery, the GoPro dual battery charger, and a USB-C cable which you can plug in to the charger, and which is the USB-C connector basically. And then the other end will go to an adapter. So for example, OnePlus adapter is really good for that. So the rating of this charger is 3 ampere. So ensure that the charger is equivalent to that or a bit lower or a bit higher as well. So OnePlus charger has the rating 2 ampere and 5 ampere. So I think it takes 2 ampere for this one, and it took about 2.5 hours to charge two batteries simultaneously. So that is great, and it's just easy to insert the batteries just like you do with your GoPro. And there are indicators which basically tells you the status of if battery is charged or not. So yellow means that the battery is currently charging and green means that the battery has charged. So these are the two indicators which it has. Besides that, so the charger looks really nice, and it has the curvy edges so it won't really hurt your skin, and it's pretty easy to take the batteries out. You just have to pull out that plastic piece, and that is again something which you do with your GoPro as well. So it's pretty simple process, and yeah, it's a must have equipment for your travel. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. You can support this travel and exploration YouTube channel by subscribing to it and sharing it with your friends and family. Thanks so much for watching.